Hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll see one another real-time scenario of Azure Data Factory. Okay, so in this scenario we'll see one method to create the running total quantity. Okay, so first we'll try to understand the requirements, then we'll implement. Okay, I know after seeing the running total, you will not able to understand, you guys. Okay, so first we'll try to understand the requirements. So we have one CSV file items. Okay, so here I have data, item ID, item and quantity. Okay, so like this I have the data, but in output, this is the or my input file. In output file I should get the data like this. So one another column will be added. So the first whatever item I have, this item should be in order, based on the quantity, should be sorted by its quantity. And after that, I should get another column value, this running total quantity. The first one would be 2, second one would be the total of previous one, the previous running quantity, and plus the current item quantity. Okay, so this is also the same, the previous items quantity or the running quantity total plus current items quantity. Basically the running quantity total would be the previous item quantity total plus current item quantity total. Okay, so like this it should be implemented. So this would be 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 8, this would be 22. Okay, this would be our output. So okay, so let's implement it. How to implement it we'll see. So first we will go to our Azure Data Factory, and here we'll create one data flow. Okay, so in data flow we'll create new data flow. First I will start the debug data flow debug for next 1 hour. It is very costly. If you are practicing by your pay as you go account, I will recommend you, whenever it is required, just start it, otherwise keep it stop. Okay, it is very costly. So I will first add my source data. Okay, so here I have to create the new link service. Sorry, link service already created. I need to create the data set for pointing to the data file. So it's a text in a CSV delimited text. Okay, so ds dataset item, something like that. I have given the dataset name, and as usual already link service is created for this storage account. So that link service I have selected, and I'm going to take my source data. The first row is as header, we'll consider. Okay, let's take it. Okay, so if I'll go to inspect, I'll get my columns. You can see, so I'm just, so item ID, item and quantity, all the things are in string. Okay, so and data preview, it's still getting on, turning on, so it will take time, then only I can see my data in data previews. Okay, the data flow debug session has not been started. So next, for this thing, for getting this, I need to use the Windows data flow. So where it is, this is the window. So how to implement? So here will not create any window over any column. Okay, we just need to sort first based on the item quantity. Okay, in ascending order we'll sort. Okay, so and after that in window column we'll just add one new column. Whatever column we need to add, we'll just take it from here, we'll paste it. Okay, so this column would be this column's data would be based on our formula, whatever expression we'll mention here. So sum of two integer. Okay, then the item ID, because my item ID, whatever item sorry, item quantity, so whatever format I have not mentioned here, so everything is fine, quantity only. Okay, so let's finish. So whatever it is in data, it is in inspect, you can see item quantity, it is in string, so that's why first I am converting into two string, two integer, and after that I'll see. Okay, data preview is on. Let's see my input data. Let it load. So let it load. Meanwhile I want to introduce my channel. So this is our channel, CognitiveCoders. If you still have not visit our channel, I'll recommend you to visit our channel and try to understand our approach, that how we are taking you to the test of a data engineering life. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I would recommend you to go through our playlist. Multiple playlists are there. PySpark database, if you are new beginner of PySpark, you can go through our this PySpark database playlist. This will give you the test of the real functions of PySpark, which is mostly required in our daily basis PySpark work. Okay, the PySpark database work. Okay, and this is a real-time scenarios. This if you are preparing for interview, you can go through our interview series. There are 31 videos on various companies interview questions. Okay, so you can go through all these playlists. Okay, so let's go. Okay, our data is here, so all the data you can see. After that, if I'll go to window, once it is so that's why we are converting it the quantity to first in integer, from string to integer, then we are summing up. Okay, if I'll preview the data, got it. So what it is happening, 2, first it is sorting the data, 2, 5, 7 and 8, 2 running quantity 2, because there is no previous item, and after that for paper there is it is running quantity total 5 plus 2 7, then notebook 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 14, and for no, for pencil uh, 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 plus 8, it is 22. So it's like this. If I want to store this, I just need to sync. If you have seen my earlier videos of real-time scenarios, you can see how to sync the data. Just for syncing the data, we'll create one new data set to point out our storage. So ds item sync. Okay, so the same. Okay, so the sync path would be this path. Okay, so no file already exists here, so just to give it none. Okay, so first we will see our sync path. if it is okay or not, or any file is there or not. Sync, there is a already exist file, we can delete it, or we can give different name. All employees data, it's something else. So we test in our earlier lecture. Okay, this is the else part. Okay, so here we can output to a single file, set single partition, and so output to a single file name. So items with total, I'll give my file name dot csv. Okay, items with total. Okay, so like this. Okay, so if you can see its data, it's something else. Okay, you don't want to see. If I'll run it, if I run it in a pipeline, it will give you the data. Okay, so in sync also for total column it is showing, but if I'll take it in a pipeline, you can see I'm just taking it in a pipeline and I will run it. We'll run it in debug mode. Okay, you can also run it in using the trigger now. Okay, but I'll run it in debug mode. Okay, so let's see. Let it complete. Now the run is completed. You can see pipeline has successfully run. If you now refresh your sync path, you will get the file. Items with total, I was given my file name. In edit, you can see the data 2 7 14 22, like this the data has come. Whatever calculative data we will process for sync, the same data will come. The main thing, it is in calculation. Main thing in the transformation. Main thing, it is in the transformation between source and sync, whatever we are doing. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. So if you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So without your support we can't grow our channel, we can't reach to the broader audience. If you are thinking that our video is helpful for you guys, so please do support us, and thanks for watching our video. Bye.